Hey, welcome back to my channel. I am Linda. If you're new here, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. It'll let you know what I got going on. So, this is my video. I am doing an unboxing video. I like to do my videos kind of pre-open. My packages cuts down the video by a little bit. So today I have only 2 packages. I had 3, but I combined 2 of them because same company. So today I have PinchMe. This is from months back. I think, I forget, January, February, around that time frame. I don't know why they took forever to send it, but there's only 3 things in here. Yeah, there's 3 things. I love the box. It's cute. I love it. So, what I got here, fruit roll-ups. I haven't had these in years. These fruit roll-ups. Another favorite thing. I love these Slim Fast Diabetic Weight Loss peanut butter cups. There's chocolate caramel nut thing. Not my top favorite, but these are so delicious. Mind you, I'm a type 1 diabetic, so I really love these. Kind of tastes a lot like the sugar-free Reese's. It tastes similar to it. Very similar taste-wise. Then I got eye patches. Hydrogel eye patches. Thoroughly clean and dry your face. Remove the patch from the plastic liner. Apply the patch under your eyes during eyelash extension application. Remove the patch slowly from the edges. Use covering the lower lashes during eyelash extension application. That is very interesting. I thought it would be like other ones I've seen. I know Wonder Beauty and some other brands have these. They feel like a lot, to me, they feel like one of those things, I forget the brand, but you can put them under your eye. It's like Shadow Shield. That's the brand. Yeah, that's what these remind me of. Like, I'm not doing any, eyelash extension things. I don't do that, so I don't know if I will be actually using them. But that's what I got in that box. Well, in my Ulta box, which I already, as you can see, I have it pre-opened because I got 2 packages. I had gift cards from online, from doing surveys and stuff like that. And so I decided to treat myself to Ulta products. And so I had to cash out separately, make 2 separate transactions. So I thought I'd put them in one box versus having 2. So without further ado, what's in here? 2 things from the Ulta brand. 2 of them. 2 things. I abuse this for my sponges. It's the brush and sponge cleaner. Yeah, Ulta brush and sponge cleaner. This was like $3.50. I think it was buy one get one something % off. something percent off. So I got this, which I love this for my sponges. I use a different thing for my brushes, which I'm happy they actually like put tape over the cap so that it doesn't pop off and stomp everywhere. That's one thing what I love. One of the other things I got, I go through these like nobody's business. Ulta Beauty brand. Ulta Beauty 200 premium quilted squares cotton pads. I use these with micellar water. This Dear Claire's face stuff, and other stuff like that. Oh my god, these will last me a while. I was reading reviews on them. I was looking, every time I go to TJ Maxx, I keep seeing videos about people buying the Shadow brand ones. I looked at these. These look like them. Hey, for 200 cotton pads. I forget how much they were. Actually, I forget how much these were. So, that's what else I got. This, 200. And the last thing here. I got is another Z palette. Yeah. Is another Z palette. It's the large one. I think the last one I might have got was a medium one. I have single shadows, some other stuff that I plan on putting in this one. I have the other one, which I'm using one of the things, the magnets for my bronzer. It's more like a highlighter E shade to me. That's what it reminds me of. It reminds me of that color. Oh my god. I love how it comes with instructions. I love that. I love how it comes with instructions. I do not have the depotting made easy thing. I just use a different thing. A different method. Yeah, I have no idea. I'll probably, with my bronzer, gonna try and get these out. My bronzer, I usually use these kind of magnets, the round ones versus the little square ones. Ones like this. These I use for eyeshadow. The circle ones I use for the highlighter, bronzer, blushes, stuff like that. Or sometimes I use it for color correcting concealers. That's what I use. You know, that's what I use. I'm like, oh, I haven't had a new Z palette in ages. I'm happy with what I purchased. I think I spent, I forget, I think 16 on this. This is on sale for $10. So 10 and, I forget, 10 and 5 something. Plus tax and stuff like that on this. I forget. I spent I forget how much I spent. I think I spent $6.99, $7. Like $7 I spent on a combination of the Ulta, these, and these two I spent. That's how much I spent. So I basically spent, what, 17, $20, about 20 bucks. I cannot wait because I love this. I love this. I think I have the older one. It doesn't feel like this. It does not feel like this at all. It doesn't feel like that at all. I'm obsessed. I'm happy. I do not have to literally buy myself cotton pads for a while. And I'm happy. These have zipper thing on it. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm really, really, really happy about these. I am. I will show you what I was talking about before. I did not mention this during my last video. I totally forgot to grab it, as well as eyelashes. This is the Dear Claire's Daily Skin Softening Water. It's like micellar water toner type thing. That's what it reminds me of. I love it. I love this. I got this from 08 Leader. I thought I'd just give it a honorable mention right here. I love this. As you can see, I didn't even use much of it. It's like up to here. I love this. I don't think this has a smell. I don't even know what it says on the back. I keep the thing in it so that I'm not accidentally dumping it. Yeah, it smells pretty clean. Had to pick up the little thing because I'd hate to open it and it's like this a shower. That is it for my video. I thought I'd do 2 back to back. I hope you enjoy. I hope you found it interesting. Maybe learned something. I definitely recommend all 3 of the Ulta brand products that I bought. I do recommend, especially the brush sponge cleaner, the cotton pad, the cotton squares, these, and the Z palette. I absolutely recommend. It's better to save space in your makeup versus having a plethora of single shadows, blushes, highlighters, all that stuff. Just get this. I love this. I also have MYO brand like this. I love that as well. But this is top. Bye.